in meat pie.
Never lazy. Hello.
Little people.
You run a boat. Oh, that happened to who I say I go on. Ever blessed? I'm good, baby. No complaint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Open it, baby.
I want to can't with me here.
What do you mean by
Yeah,
doing?
I tell you.
What one name quest?
One name quest.
What name quest? But I'm not trying to
You didn't club there. I want to see like.
my question? Do we keep the stupid money and don't put it for me?
Yeah, don't let me know. Why do you know I'm touching? So you want to touch it?
Oh, you mean me no want to touch it? I want to go for the drink.
I prefer the beef and
Yes,
chicken.
well, I got something that.
Of course.
Yeah, I prefer the
Yeah,
beef
well.
and chicken.
So you start. Yeah, all right, thank you, yeah? All right, thank you. Let me back here.
Pull it active, the outside, you know the thing. Whoa, where for music?
Yeah, yeah. Do stop. What's that? The backup program. Yeah, I cover my back like I cover.
I'll take it out of the room. I don't have it in Nigeria. I'll just take it outside.
Are you tickling me or what? We can't stop. Yes, may eat.
Yeah, that's what I said. I prefer the beef. I
Wow.
not coming. But I think
I'm
beef
scared. Sunday dinner.
is better. Don't like it either.
You say TikTok whatever?
When I don't know TikTok up there.
Yeah, TikTok my soul. You're still stimulating me. I'll do it stuff. Yes, may I eat? Long time in. Yeah, I make my blush do it. Can you stop? You do that. I find my teeth tender. Let me say, look at that. I didn't fit you the way. You fit you better than me.
I really spectacles them if you can't even see.
We have 20/20 visions.
Real spectacles and everything cloudy for me. No more that.
My nails, thank you.
Good at the near and far. When they say spectacles, fam, they talk about them. Who it?
Oh, my win. What's up? Let's even mama say I play a game. Love your nails, short and classy. Thank you.
That is it. Me tell her about it. But you know what, here?
But do is my ear, that's why I have the man so small. So stop complaining, yeah? You know, like when I have a long, curvy, long near them. So, I'm always a cut. So, since I'm going to hospital now, well, before I go to hospital, I said, I can't bother worry about the long nails. So, give me a little pleasure. Well, man, it's not lying. What do you mean by it? I'm not lying. I'm not wear them back for sure. I don't think so. If I'm a little bit, I wear long fingernail enough. Years, I'm young, from around 16, around 18. So I can't take a break now. So I keep, I'm not even have an acrylic on them. I want to grow my nails them and just I'm going to take out all of my paste in them. This, down there, so. Yeah. Me just a go on, you know, fresh start. Fine wine. Yeah, so Trim been long time my husband always at me before my married him. I said, you love them long fingernail, eh? You can't wear short fingernail. So I give him a little leadway with me now. Go and beat them short. Him like them short. Him say them sexy, so. But too bad, what am I doing? You're just growing. You come rest. You're growing, mama. Oh God, Michelle, I don't make my ball. I grow through. I chew, man. I go through so much, you know. God is good. My strikes fight so much battle, so much struggle. And they still have that pretty smile. I'm going to tell me, say, I glow. I feel good, but I know I glow for true. God is good and able. May I eat, may I cry, may I talk. You see that? Happy again, Queenie. I'm in the hospital, you know. I lie down on my back. I can't move. The nurse have to beard me, wipe me, have come with a bucket, squeeze out the rag. Maybe I need so much drip, you know? That is amazing, you know, I'm crazy. It's when I have a life, I'm healthy. I don't know who the landlord. Give God thanks. You hear me? So that I come out of hospital 3 weeks now. And my hand still butter blue. Them took me so till me weak. That Anya 7 times. I get some disturbing dream and enough back on my granny, you know. I get some disturbing dream at night time. Now I'm sleeping at that hospital. One night and I'm sleep, I get up and I say, I plead the blood of Jesus, the blood of Jesus. Be a zombie coming in my dream. I try bite me. And some holy bloody water. I swim in the bloody water. And I plead the blood of Jesus. I'm a wake up in the hospital. And since I'm a wake up and go back to sleep and catch the dream. Debs, the same dream, you know. And at the dream, I see my daughter coming in a white dress. And she walk up to the bed and put one bucket. This is the same dream when I back clean, you know. With the whole heap of bloody water, you know. And she come, she have a full white. But she come back, we turn her back to the bed and she have a bucket, a grey bucket like this. That grey beige to brown bucket. And she just put it at the side of the bed and turn her back. And then she just get up and turn on her, put her face right up to me, so right up to me, and she just disappear. I'm away. Right, crazies. I'm see me lie down, big up public hospital every time. Lie them in them bed, you know. Them doctor and them nurse, them brilliant, you know. The people them put everything, bad, poor, them have the pretty bed, but them have the pretty potential to take care of you. Yeah, man. Me attack 100 something in one, but I'm experienced. As my member, I speak. Yeah, that's a one dream. But dream, my next dream, me and my mother back some zombie them want to catch you for bite you, you know, nightmare, day near, evening near, whatever it is. I may tell you like creators. You see my positive spirit when I have, you know. We got you so fucking much, believe me. I just smile. Life. It's when I sit down and so much people bash me. I'm not going to shop about no sickness, you know. I'm never married for sickness. I'm never sex sickness. I sit down and say, this world is so sad. I know the world always unkind. But the world is so sad for people to sit down publicly where thousands of people are watching and to discriminate me. I'm a lying sick bed. You know, I'm for sure I will make uncomfortable and feel good. Why not think on a see me? I just in a little zone by myself as a God. Several times them joke me right at all. Several times them joke me. Forget my vein. So put the dripping on me. And them could get seven times. Imagine me lie down on my back. And them tired of something around your hand. And I slap your veins. Juke you one time, them not find up. Them can't find a vein. Juke you 2 times, them can't find. 3 times. And goes up to 7 times. You know me to lie down and do just say, God, when this I go done. All I'm afraid of nigga. I have to deal with it, I have to cope with it. Nobody can cope with it for me. Our next doctor just come from nowhere and just go some blap blap. On the next hand. Right now if you look on the hand, still sick. Swell, not sick. Still swell. You can see the lumpy them in them. Them can't find my vein. I don't know something where at the first it happened to me. Something has been happening to me. Anytime I go doctor, for them find my vein, I help for them find my vein. So as simple as that. That by itself, a sickness torturing. Then, when I just come out of the surgery, I go to my love video. When I video myself before I go into the surgery. And when I saw something pies in my body, oh, I sweat and I look. The only thing I know is a living person because I move. Yeah. All them days I put them out on internet to backside the internet crash. Very disturbing. You understand me? And you see, my father always tell me about mind over matter when me young. And I think I live with it. Because when the doctor said, Queenie, we're going to try to save your life. The devil make me lie down there, chat the doctor, and said, try to save my life, not a thing to do. Me not think, sir, but still sick. Me not different. I think me iron, you know? Because I still I think I just even, remember, you know? It's something busting on me from Tuesday, you know? I mean, if it walk the street right over there, so I if it the right road, that's how mommy. And mommy fried dumpling, and I can't serve fish. I say, mommy put it in a one dish, so I'm going to if it go eat it. I say, I feel pain in the right crazy, and I tell nobody. Because my father teach me a little something, a little mind over something, so I go to and buck up all my two and just said, come on, mind over matter. And it still hurt, you know. And blank it out. As I reach at Yvette's yard with an ackee and saltfish, I put it right at Yvette Dewey on the table, she sell her something. Hey, from me seeing her eat the food, she tell me shots about the food. I not pay the food no man, because pain kill me. I must run in at 4 o'clock. I say, Yvette, from morning, my belly hurt me, you know. But me just hold it to them in a sense of ball and complain. Bumbo ginger tea, garlic tea, who come and massage me? It was a journey. I'm still take it so simple. When we come out of the hospital now, I have so much to testify to. When we come out of the hospital, I'm say to Queenie, oh, I come out of the doctor on me and BJ. Come in, remember what me, you know? Yeah. Before I go admit, like the way the pain I lick me, so I'm going to the doctor, because I forgot the private doctor over there. So first, mom said, no, you forgot the doctor, mommy can't.